Hello, in today's short information video we'll be talking about designing chatbots with ChatGPT. So, as you may know, chatbots have become increasingly popular over the past few years, with more and more companies using them for customer services, sales and other purposes. But designing a chatbot that feels natural and engaging can be challenging. That's where ChatGPT can come in. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that is designed to generate human responses to text-based prompts. It's based on a GPT-3 architecture, which means it's trained on a large corpus of text data and can generate responses that are similar to what a human might say. So how can ChatGPT be used for chatbot design? Well, it can be used to generate responses for chatbot, which can make them feel more personalized and engaging to users. By fine-tuning a language model, chatbots can be trained to understand the user, intent, and respond appropriately, even to complex and or nuanced queries. When designing a chatbot with ChatGPT, there is a few best practices to keep in mind. First, to create a conversational flow that feels natural to users. This can be achieved through user research and designing conversational scripts that account for different scenarios. Second, imported machine learning to make the bot response more personalized over time. This can help the chatbot feel more like a conversation with a real person. Thirdly, fine-tune the language model to make the bot response more accurate and relevant. This can be done through the use of data and training algorithms. Finally, consider the chatbot personality to user interfaces and the overall user experience. Those factors can have a big impact on how users interact with chatbots. There are many examples of chatbots that have been designed with ChatGPT, such as a travel planning chatbot that helps users plan their vacation, a virtual assistant chatbot that helps users manage their schedules and tasks, a customer service chatbot that can answer frequent asked questions and provide support. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for designing chatbots that feels more personalized and engaging for users. By following best practices and fine-tuning the language model, chatbots can be designed to understand user intent and respond appropriately, even complex and nuanced queries. So guys, I asked ChatGPT for some benefits of designing chatbots with GPT. You can learn them, you can ask GPT yourself, and I asked for a quick example. You can pause the video and read the quick example, or you can also put it by yourself and ask it by yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this quick information video. If you need some other information and or tutorials for ChatGPT and how to do something or how it works, you can visit our channel. If you need something else, you can ask in the comments and we will take the time to make a tutorial or give you the information you need. And so guys, please leave a like, subscribe, it's free, and see you in the next one. Bye.